Good morning. So I just woke up and yeah, just unwind everything. So I woke up and I have to do like a lot of things. I have to freshen up, I have to wake up my daughter so that she is ready for the school, and we just have 1 hour for the school. Let's see what can be done for the breakfast. I have to make breakfast for me, for her tiffin also. That's it. Let's go out, and it's too bright when you wake up and it's like too bright. Let's take water because I need it. And I'll just sit for 10 minutes with myself and just sip a water. Wait. Think I need a mic also. Where did I kept it? So she is still sleeping. I couldn't find the mic. Where did I kept it? So that the audio quality of this video should be amazing. But found it. Let's attach this. Okay, so it's on now. यार मैं भूल ही गई थी कि इसको ऑन करना है. उठते के साथ आई वॉज लाइक व्लॉग करेंगे, बट आई लिटरली फॉरगॉट दिस. तो चलो पहले हम लेते हैं पानी, क्योंकि सुबह उठ के यू नीड वाटर, दैट्स फॉर श्योर. करेक्ट. लेट्स गो. माय डॉटर इज स्लीपिंग अभी. आई कांट वेक हर अप नाउ because I have to do so much things before she wakes up. So yeah. I have a day where I am shooting. That is basically every single day that I'm shooting. Mostly. Not on weekends, but mostly. So today is also one of those days where I will be shooting. But I'm still waiting for so many things to be, approve of the script and so many things so that I can start shooting. Still I'm waiting for that. अभी तक नहीं आया है. It's so good when you wake up and you have like a ton of water. It's nice. But I always try कि coffee मैं नहीं पीऊँ. But morning hours में coffee is like highly needed. मैंने evening को coffee छोड़ दी है. मतलब छोड़ दी इन द सेंस कि जब मुझे इवनिंग में मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा वर्कआउट नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा काम है, मेरा डे इज़ टू लॉन्ग, देन आई एम टेकिंग कॉफ़ी इन द इवनिंग और एल्स आई शिफ्टेड टू ग्रीन टी. बट मॉर्निंग में अभी भी आई एम टेकिंग कॉफ़ी एवरी सिंगल डे. I think that's how I'm surviving the morning, because it's like a lot of things. Like I have to wake up and then take care of the baby and send her to school, have my own breakfast, have to work out, like crazy things. When your night is not like, कि properly सोए नहीं हो ना, तो you wake up very tired. This is one of the morning that I feel tired because I just could not sleep. I think I was worked up yesterday. Also, the evening was also very, busy in the sense like I have to make dinner for my daughter, and then रात में I'll show you in some vlog कि रात में क्या situation होती है evening में. It's like everything is being thrown in the house, sorry. क्या, what is this? तो उसके बाद वो सब कुछ क्लीन अप करना, बेड रूटीन, वो डिनर से लेकर बेड तक की जो 2 घंटे हैं ना, वो 2 घंटे लगते हैं. बिकॉज देन आई विल डू माई स्किन केयर and then I'll make a bed, then we'll all go to the bed, and then night dress changing, so many things, yaar. And I'm like, oh, this is exhausting, but आई थिंक इट्स मोस्ट ऑफ द हैबिट हो गया है अभी तो. पहले और एग्जॉस्टिंग लगता था और टायरिंग लगता था, बट अब लगता है कि ठीक है, मतलब कर सकते हैं. सर्वाइविंग. आई शो यू इन दिस व्लॉग ओनली कि रात में क्या होता है, लाइक हाउ इज दिस एवरीथिंग हैपनिंग. सो या होपफुली इफ़ नॉट इन दिस, पक्का नेक्स्ट में, नहीं तो इसमें मैं दिखाऊंगी. डिपेंडिंग करता है कि मेरी इवनिंग कैसे, इफ़ आई एम एबल टू व्लॉग इट और नॉट, दैट ऑल्सो डिपेंड्स अ लॉट. सो या सो चलो अब चलते हैं ब्रेकफास्ट की तरफ. सो फाइनली डोसा बन रहा है यहाँ पे, एंड आई विल पुट एग ऑन टॉप एंड देन अगेन वन डोसा ऑन टॉप, एंड या दैट्स द ब्रेकफास्ट. तो ये बन चुका है ऑलमोस्ट. ब्रेकफास्ट को कट करके अब एज अ सैंडविच वी विल ईट. लेट्स कट दिस नाउ. Look at that gorgeous. Yeah, forget that. So yeah, let's make coffee and then we are ready for the breakfast. Breakfast के बाद I'll wake up my daughter and then get ready, उसको get ready करके स्कूल भेज दो, and then I'll start my work. तो चलो ब्रेकफास्ट लेके चलते हैं. बाहर बैल्कनी में बैठेंगे अच्छे से. लेट्स गो. बस गिरना नहीं चाहिए, दैट्स द होप. क्योंकि मैं एक हाथ में मैंने कैमरा पकड़ रखा है, एक हाथ में मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट पकड़ रखा है. सो ऑल राइट. All right, peeps, this is my place where I sit. So, let me eat my breakfast in peace. Let's do it. So, breakfast हो गई है ख़त्म, and I was just, browsing on Instagram, and I have this new channel that I recently created. इसमें हार्डली 150 फॉलोअर्स हैं, क्योंकि अभी मैंने 2-3 हफ्ते पहले चालू करा है इसको. एंड दिस इज़ द फैशन कंटेंट. एक और कंटेंट है जो होम डेकोर है, उसमें आराम से 49,000 फॉलोअर्स हैं. दैट इज़ गुड because I worked hard on it, and thanks to you all guys as well. And I'm trying to grow this channel, so I was taking the inspiration from other beauty influencer and how they do it and everything. At other channel जो मेरा home decor page है, उसमें I am not active as a vlog और फिर क्या मेरी लाइफ में एक्चुअली चल रहा है. बट दिस फैशन पेज आई रियली लाइक. आई हैव टू पुट इट मोर व्लॉग्स. आई थिंक आज ही मैं एक व्लॉग अपलोड कर रही हूँ, जो कि अभी मैं अपलोड करूँगी. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड 2 videos right away right now. So let's get into that. So it's all done now. Let's get ready for the day. Much needed water. So let's go and get ready for the day. And I have to shoot and I have to do a lot of stuff, but I'm really late now. So yeah, let's go and get ready. All right, kajal is done. I hope you can see it does make a difference and it looks good in the video. So let's do it. Storage full. अरे यार,
तो साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
And it's a wrap. So one video is been completed और अभी 2 वीडियो और बचा है शूट करने के लिए, दैट इज़ फॉर द ज्वेलरी एंड आई एम श्योर तुम लोग को अच्छा लगने वाला है एंड आई विल गिव यू द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सो दैट यू गाइज कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट एज वेल. सो विल शूट इन आफ्टरनून. आई थिंक आफ्टरनून हो चुका है, ऑलमोस्ट 2 बजने वाले हैं अभी, बट इट्स टाइम फॉर द नैप फॉर माई बेबी एंड उसको लेके आई जस्ट मेक हर स्लीप एंड देन आई हैव माई लंच अराउंड 3 एंड देन I will be, just getting on to the shoot. 2 shoots I'll finish in just 1 hour. And also, you guys might be wondering, कि रोज़ा चल रहा है, why am I not fasting? Actually, I am actually not fasting, which I'm not able to fast also because my daughter is just 2.5 years. And I don't think so, kid. I have the energy to fast, shoot, and take care of the baby at the same time. I think I'll wait at least she's 4 and then I'll start fasting. And I have more energy to fast also because she will be on to her life. So, but right now she needs me a lot more. So yeah, it's hard for me to. I know there are so many moms who can do it also, but I can't because I am working as an influencer and also a mother and also a house take care person. So I can't do it like that because रोज़ा खुलने के बाद सो बैटरी हो गई थी ख़त्म, तो चार्ज करने के बाद आई एम लाइक ऑल सेट एंड नाउ आई हैव जस्ट अनबॉक्स द jewelry that I was talking about and I'll show you in a minute. Let me just upload something, like I need to just finish this off and then we will move ahead. So give me like 2 minutes. I just need to note it down something. Let's go. Okay, let me show you. As I promised, look at that. And this I got it for 300 something rupees, which is amazing. Like literally, look at that. That's so great. Oh, lovely. Look at this. I'll show you also. But phone आ रहा है पहले. I have to check कि मुझे कॉल कौन कर रहा है. Hold a minute. Hey, my friend is calling, but I have to finish the shoot and I'll call her back. Okay. Let me show you closely. Wow, the quality is also like really good quality यार. ऐसा वैसा कोई हल्का quality नहीं है. They are like really good quality. That is super nice. Super nice. So let's finish the shoot as well. Let me show you this too. Look at that. Like, look at this. Wow. I'll show you the another one as well. So look at that. Is gorgeous. Wow. I like this if you see it. It's super nice. The quality top notch, and this is also very lightweight. It's not going to hurt your weight. It's from Zaveri Pearls, which I love it. Absolutely in love with them. So I'm all ready and set and I'm going out for the event. Hopefully I can vlog and show where am I going. But this is my outfit of the day. And this is my handbag that I got it from Ink 5, which I'll give you the link. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं, I'm just late. But I'll give you the link of this bag. This is super bag. मैं हर जगह यही bag लेके जाती हूँ. So yeah. And I am getting really late. And मैंने सिर्फ एक छोटा सा ये earring डाला है because the outfit is already very heavy. So yeah, let's go. हाय शिना, हाय हाय। अब ज़्यादा व्लॉग नहीं हो पाएगा, बस इतना ही काफ़ी है। ये एंड है अब द व्लॉग।